Hello everyone, welcome to the vocabulary test. Did you review enough? I hope you did. Well, from now on, you're going to take a vocabulary test and there is a time limit. The time limit is 3 minutes. So you have to write the answers within 3 minutes. Okay, don't get nervous. Just try to do your best, okay? Then, let's get started. Okay, take out your pen and paper. Now, are you ready? There are 20 questions. For each number, you just put the right alphabet. Okay? For example, number 1, B, number 2, C, like that. Okay? Then, are you ready? You have to answer all the questions within 3 minutes. Now, let's get started. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Okay, the answer is like this. Just compare it with your answer. Now that you finished it, just check how many incorrect answers you have. And remember the right answer. Okay? Good. Okay, everybody, how was it? You can let me know about your score in the comments or on HelloTalk. If you get 100 scores, just give me the photo on HelloTalk or the Reddit community. I'm sorry. Okay, you did a really great job. Then see you tomorrow for a new lesson. Bye-bye.